Hi friends, this is G. Janmohan Reddy studying in 9th standard in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today I am going to explain about importance of learning English. First, why is it important to learn English? There are many reasons why learning a new language is a good idea. It allows you to communicate with new peoples. It helps you to see things from a pre- difference or get a deeper understanding of another culture. It helps you to become a better listener. It even has healthy benefits as studies have so that people who speak two or more languages have more activity mind later in life. And sports. Sports plays an important role in educating students as it teach them to become strong from inside and as develop a fit and sound body. Combining sports in education can help studies to develop a self motivation springs to do things on their own and having ownership of these. And next, student teaching process are based on it deep understanding each individual is valid and respected highlights experienced and passionate educators established in 2005 ongoing professional teachers training. And next, third one, builder. In general, there are three sectors of construction: buildings, in in infrastructures, and industrials. Building construction is usually for the divided into re- residential. And the next, businessman. The proficiency of the language has also made it a vital part of success in the highly competitive corporate world. It is mainly because almost all form of business communication such as emails, sales and market and even cooperate legal documents are now carried out in English. And the next and last, artist and artist. The creativity arts can make learning English fun and interesting, generally used to find out what students know, so it is important in successing their progress. Thank you.